Team traffic lights. What's that all about? Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave, and something that we do every week in our Ashdown Jones meetings, our team meetings, is to ask all our team members what their traffic light is. Now, I don't have an orange, I'm really sorry, so you're going to have to just assume that that blue is an amber. That is a very good picture of a traffic light, isn't it? And what we do is we say, okay, rank yourself on how you feel about your work at the moment, or if there's anything from home life that is impeding on their work life, then talk about that. So what it means is this: if somebody ranks themselves as a red, what it means is that they need help from somebody. So they either feel overwhelmed with their work, or there's something that's going on at home that's really affecting their work life. Whatever it is, they need to ask somebody for help. And that's really important. So if they're a red, there's no shame in it at all, there's no judgment, but it's our signal that we need to help them, either Phil and I to help them, or somebody else from the team to help them. If they're amber, pretend this is amber, it means that they're being stretched, but they're okay. So if somebody's an amber, I might say, okay, are you amber red or are you greeny amber? Which kind of side of amber are you? And then that'll help me decide what kind of help I can give them. But it usually means it's just a busy time, maybe we've got some busy campaigns or some deadlines looming, or they've got to get 3 houses on the market today. So if we just leave them alone, they can get through it. So it isn't usually something to worry about, but amber is just something to just keep in the back of your mind. And then green means everything's fine. They're not taking work home, they don't feel stressed, they come in feeling like they can tackle anything that the day throws at them, and they're super happy. Now, the reason we put this traffic light system in was because a few years ago, one team member told me that another team member was feeling very, very stressed, and I couldn't see it. So rather than saying, are you stressed, we put the team traffic light system in place instead in the team meeting. And when we went round, she said she was green. So she clearly wasn't stressed, and it was just the perception of the other person. But maybe the other person was feeling stressed, and maybe they were just reflecting, so we needed to keep an eye on them too. But they were an amber that day. So it's a really good way of taking the temperature of your team members to make sure that you're giving them just enough work but not too much, that they feel challenged but still supported, and that they're actually okay. So yeah, try it out. Now, you may know, if you've been watching a few Whiteboard Wednesdays, that Firewave is so much more than a marketing agency. It's actually your support mechanism to help you grow your business and take your agency to another level. If you go to fire-wave.co.uk/start, you'll be able to see if your area is available, because we only work with one agent per area. That's really important to us, that we're giving you unique content and unique strategies as well to help you grow. If your area is available, you can book a call with us, have a chat. We are not salesy at all. In fact, we're all rubbish at sales, but we are very good at explaining and helping you to decide whether you're a good fit for Firewave, and Firewave is a good fit for you. So we're really looking forward to talking to you, and also look forward to seeing you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Bye for now.